Hello everyone, Jen Spofford here from the Fryeburg Public Library, and I'm so thrilled to let you know that we are going to be offering cat loaning. Our cat loaning service will start today. But first, let me go over what we have as far as cat books. You know, we love our cat books, they're great and all, but there are some disadvantages to cat book loaning. One being, you can't hear the book purr. Two being, you get paper cuts from books. And three, books are not fluffy. But with cat loaning, you can get the purring. And no paper cuts. And cats are really fluffy. All right, have a great April Fools, everyone.